Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Linktree to sell product and I will explain you very deeply. Right, so once you watch this video, definitely you don't need any another video to watch it. Using Linktree to sell product is a straightforward yet very powerful way to enhance your online sales strategy. Right, so Linktree allows you to create single link that hosts multiple other links, making it easier for your audience to find your product and service without the hassle of navigating through different pages. So it just becomes very easy to paste all your links at one place and customer can just view instantly at the fingertips. Now on the top right you will get this option of sign up free. If you have an ID, then just go and click on login. Right, so I will just go and click on sign up here. Now here they will ask me to log in into this link tree here. Of course I will use a Google account because that's easier for me. And yes, you can use a normal email address as well as a Google account and a Apple account. Now here it will ask my username. So username is very important and make sure you have a very good username. Most of the influencers, if you use a Linktree, they always mention the username exactly what is mentioned on their TikTok or Instagram. So I will just write here, Comic Sans. Right, so let's say this username is not available, so I will just add here some extra numbers to make it very unique. And this is just an example you can have and use it in a very unique way. Make sure that there's a green tick mark, then you will get a next step. Now go ahead and click on continue. Now automatically you will be redirected to the pricing here. So they Linktree provide you 4 pricing: free, starter, pro and premium, and you can always read what difference they have. Of course in the premium section they have the best thing here. Right, in the unlimited I can just only add unlimited links here, but of course the URL will be always linktree.ee/my username, right? And in the pro and as well as in the premium I can always change the URL, right? So it just look very more professional. Just to show you, I will just go here and click on free. Right, by the way, you can always try Pro for free for the first 30 days, and once you're satisfied you can go with the next step here. Now we'll just go and choose the free plan of link here. Now it will just give a template. By the way, you can always create your own template if you just go and choose any other plans here. So I will just go here. Always it's regarding comic books. I will just go and choose a very simple one. In the free plan I don't have major options here, so I will just go and choose this one because this look very simplistic, and you can always skip this part if you don't want to go with this here. And I will click on start with this template. Now here you can choose on what niches are you working on. For example, creator, music, personal, business or restaurant. I'm a creator, so I will just go and click on creator. And by the way, if you choose any another option, that's fine because the next step is exactly same, nothing is different. Because when I'm creator, so they will just give me an option to add my Instagram and TikTok or YouTube account here, even my website, and there's a lot of things, other social media. So let's say I just go and click on Instagram. Now here they will ask my Instagram username as well as the website URL if I have any own, or if I run a store or any website. I don't have any, so I will just go and click on skip. Now here they will ask me to add profile. Always I have an option to add my own face profile, or I can just change depending upon the requirements. So in the profile title I will just write here test profile. Right, you can just write your profile, your name, and let's say okay, so Comic Sense is a good profile name. I can just write here bio, and I will choose like this. For example, if I just go and plus icon, I can always upload my own profile here. Now I will just go with the free one and click on continue. Now here my link tree is available. As you can see here, there's a no website showing here, so I can always go and continue editing. Right, so once I go and continue editing, I can just click on add links because I didn't have added any links here. This is my Instagram, so I'll just go and click on whatever link here. Now I can just go and click on plus a link here. I can just paste the URL. For example, I can add anything. I can add my website, and let's say this is a second URL which I want to add here just for, right? So I'll just go and click on add, and this is how it's available, right? And let's say this is also available. Now here if I just go and save it, of course it's saved. Right, so here make sure you can just always create more than one link tree. Right, so here if I want to share to somebody, I can, I will show you how does this look here. Automatically it will open. So if a customer comes here, if my audience come here, click on Instagram, and they will redirect it to Instagram, right? So this is how you can create it, although I have entered the wrong URL, but I hope you got the point here. On the left side, this is a shop icon. So here, let me show you what's it as available here. You can always sell your product on the Linktree, and that's become very convenient for your customers. You can just go and click on add your product here. You just need to enter the product URL, right? For example, let me take Amazon and I will show you, let's say this is one of the product which I want to show you. I want to sell. For example, this is my product and I want my customer to go here. So I will just copy the URL and paste it here, right? And I will just click on add. So it will just take a few seconds of your time to finding your product info, and automatically if a customer clicks on your product, definitely they will show you the info which will collect it from your website, the link you have added. Automatically you will get this option. You can add the image here. You can always change the URL, the title, as well as here the pricing and currency, and just go and click on add product once you are okay with it. For example, I will just go and upload an image here. So let's say I will show you, I'll just go to my downloaded and here I will select one of the image. I will just go and click on open. So this is my product image. I will crop it out, click on upload, and this is how it's look. I will just go and click on add product. By the way, the title words are more than the required here. You can always edit this out. So now my product has been added. By mistakenly I added two product of the same image here, and this is how it will look on your Linktree. So to share it, you have to just go and click on share. Now you can just copy this link here. Now I can just paste it, and let me show you how does it look here. So this is how it's look. Let me just cancel this up. Okay, so this is my product section. This is my link. Now customers or my audience gonna come here. Now go and click on my Instagram, as well as if they want to go to my shop, you can always come to my shop and purchase a product here. If a customer click on this, they will redirect you to my website or whatever link you have added, right? So this is very easy to use, and this is here you can change the interface, that how does it look in the appearance here. In the analytics, it will show you how many people came to your link and clicked on it, right? So it will show you, as you can see here, I just opened here, so it show me one unique view here, and you can see the data. You can always custom data here, and the click rate, how many customers or audience came and click on it, right? So this is the best thing here. In the settings gear icon, you can just change your profile settings here, right? You can just add an icon. You can just customize this up, support banner, so you can just add a banner, email sign up, and so many things you can just integrate with this. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.